Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert Word file in JPG format. So, you simply need to search Word to JPG. Here you can see converter, click on that. So here you can see different websites, so click on anyone. So I'm going to use this one for example. Here you can see you simply need to choose file from your computer. So I'm going to use this one. And output is in JPG. Then you need to click on convert, and now it is converting, and it will take few seconds to convert, and after that you are able to download that. So wait for few seconds here until it is converted. Here you need to click on download, and here you can see. So let me show you in the download so you can see this. So here it is in JPG. So this is the easy process how you can convert Word file in JPG format. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.